Okay, 11 points in the match. 9 of them came in that second set. It's a brand new ball game now. Oh, Pepito still able to get to it. But a smart play by FEU there.
So that hindi nila makommit yung center line fault.
Reg. Ubaldo leaves it. Pepito to Altea, had to adjust. Still gets the point. Marga Altea. 1-all. They knew the actually in Arena. And then now at FEU. That's very close to the net. But Jurado makes something out of it. FEU done with her residency and now playing for Coach Tina Salak. Jurado will just safely send it over. Almost scored there. Bacanque down the line.
Yeah,
Chance ball. Then joust. Miscommunication. Scramble here. Altea unsure. And she admits it. Prior to the start of the season, she admitted that, you know, this is the kind of adjustment that she's going to have to struggle with. Changing the position obviously means changing responsibilities also, as Jean Assis.
FEU already has 5 attack points in this set. UST only has 2.
Petalio.
Battle of sprints as well in terms of scoring.
Altea delays that hit. Bacanque with a push. Cassie to Ange in the middle. Delayed by the blockers of FEU. Bacanque will try again. And targets that spot again.
You can see Petalio trying to avoid that Pepito on that serve.
Ineque now getting a pass from Mai. Cordora will be the open spiker here for UST.
Again, ito yun, nabumaba na sila when Jean Assis hit that ball.
Easy take there for FEU. Elarina this time. Former captain of the girls volleyball team of UST. Back set. Rebound, and they were not able to chase it. 17 serving 8. Boyos returned. Reg. Ubaldo. Back set to Bacanque. Stopped by Carvalho. Boyos sends it over. Carnacion to Petalio. The dive. And Petalio again scores.
The passes of UST trying to make the best decision kahit sa out-of-system plays.
Petalio again. It's a clean hit. Oh, trickery. Pepito was up for it. And speaking of trickery, Cassie Carvalho, right there. They have a feeling last year that they were on the verge, Neil. But this year they feel that they're right there, contending with the best of them. Tagaod. Altea sends it over. Ubaldo. Cassie to Ineque with a push. Ubaldo reverses. Back! And you also see, Neil, Coach Kung Fu really cannot settle on a rotation yet. And that's what you said also at the start of this match. The start.